So friends, we were talking about the Canterbury Tales by Chaucer in the last video, and in this part we will talk about some more things of this Canterbury Tales. So we have talked about the overview of the prologue to the Canterbury Tales and why it is important. So we are going to talk about the characters, or the presentation of the characters in Canterbury Tales. So there are as many as 29 pilgrims in the party, and including the narrator it becomes 30. So Harry Bailey is the name of the host, or the narrator. The host proposes to the party to show them the way to the shrine of Thomas A. Becket at Canterbury, and he also proposes that every pilgrim would tell 2 stories on their way to Canterbury and 2 more stories on their way back, and the best storyteller would be given a supper by the other pilgrims. So this is what he proposed to the party, and but in the Canterbury Tales what we see that only 24 tales were told by only 23 pilgrims, and the party approves to the host's proposal and they start their journey. But as soon as they approves the host's proposals, they do not start their journey. Before starting their journey, or before telling of the tales by the characters, the host Harry Bailey goes on to give a brief introduction of all the characters that were present in the party for that pilgrimage to Canterbury, to the shrine of Thomas A. Becket. Chaucer shows his mastery in the description of the characters in the prologue. The prologue is considered to be a masterpiece of insight, soreness of touch, fine discrimination, and full of subtle humor. For his presentation of the characters only, G.K. Chesterton, the critic, calls him the grandfather of modern fiction, because he has chosen his characters from all the spheres of the society, and his chronicle of his age is complete, comprehensive, and inclusive. So this much in this video, and thanks for watching, and please do subscribe the channel, because we have many more things to talk about this prologue to the Canterbury Tales, or the Canterbury Tales as a whole. So we will be talking those things in the next videos, which will be coming soon. So thanks for watching, and